I think this is one of the, if not the best view from hotel I've ever seen. Absolutely unreal. No, I think they're okay. When I don't look at them, they're kind of like, don't care. Oh, okay. When I first time by random found this restaurant in Selong Belanak, I was so amazed that the staff, they noticed it and they started to tell me more about their place. No way. Is this monkey? Don't maintain eye contact. Do you know this rule? Actually, the first thing they told me when they saw that I'm so amazed by their place, they said something like, actually, you can live in this restaurant. And I was like, what do you mean by that? But we'll get to this living part later. First, just check this out. This is absolutely unreal. And what adds up to the unrealness of this place is the fact that you're alone here. Well, not completely alone. I saw some monkeys over here. Are they frequent guests here?
Yeah, monkeys.
The most important part is not to look at their eyes, right? It reminded me of a movie, The Truman Show. So it was a movie about the reality show built around a person, like artificial world, and this person didn't know that this world is artificial and there is a border. It's not a real like ocean, it's just the wall. And to me it feels kind of the same. I see this picture right now and it doesn't feel real at all. Thank you, hello, thank you. I think I just need a can. Thank you, that's enough. Oh my god, what a sound. It's called Seven Heaven Residence in Selong Belanak, and they actually have an amazing hotel, several villas and rooms up there. And that's what they meant when they said you can actually live here, mister.
So because we are in nature, sometimes there are animals like monkeys.
This is so surreal. Wow.
So there are two monkeys
Okay.
enjoying the sunset.
Absolutely unbelievable view, but let's check the territory and the room.
So here we have 5 villas: Serenity, Tranquility. This one is Heavenly Heaven.
Okay, so this is my room, Heavenly Heaven. Okay.
So are you alone?
My friend will come over later. She's at work in Kuta still.
Sounds good.
Somebody has to work, somebody has to enjoy the sunset. Just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna go to my room. Thank you so much. So this is a 2-story room, and this is kind of weird, to be honest, because what would I do at the first floor? Like, okay, TV, I get it, but there's no view at the first floor, so it seems like they made this first floor just as a footstep to get to the second floor, which is kind of doesn't make sense. But the second floor just makes up for the weirdness of the first one. So we've got a super big, nice bed with a pillow to person ratio 2:1. Wait for it. This is one of the, if not the best view from hotel I've ever seen. Absolutely unreal. The whole family is chilling. Well, this is a public pool. Fair enough. Probably I should join them, by the way. Maybe tomorrow. Let's check the bathroom. This is a pretty weird solution, I have to tell you. I'm not a fan of such solutions, like an open space bathroom. Ideally, I'd like to have some privacy a little bit. I mean, there is no wall between the bedroom, the bed, and the bathroom, and it's like 2 meters from the bed. This is weird. I don't get it. And another weird solution is this bathtub, which is absolutely huge, by the way. Like, who wants to have a bathtub here when you have this view? Like, this just doesn't make sense. Like, come on, put the bathtub over there. And it's going to be amazing, an amazing place to take some nice Instagram shots. Let's go back to the first floor. Very nice place, but again, like, come on, this is the bed. And this is the bathroom. Like, come on. It doesn't work. If you know each other like for 20 years, okay, you don't care. But if you know each other one day, this is going to be a problem for some people, I guess. Tomorrow, by the way, I'm moving to one of these two villas because I wanted to stay for 2 nights, but this particular room was not available for 2 nights, so I will have to move. This is pretty wild that you have monkeys. I mean, I'm alone here. The only company that I can enjoy here is these monkeys. Let's join the monkeys over there, over the pool. How's it going, guys? Okay. Okay, I think I just violated his privacy by looking at his eyes. I shouldn't do that, I know. I'm not going to bother you. Take your time. That's your pool. That's fine. Okay, is it even possible to chill out? So, for example, if I get closer to them, but I don't look at their eyes, or is it going to be a problem? Let's check. Guys, I'm not looking at you. You do your stuff. I'm enjoying the sunset. Are they looking at me? Guys, tell me. I think they're okay. When I don't look at them, they're kind of like, don't care. Oh. Okay. This is your pool. I don't mind. You know this feeling when you're dreaming, you're just like sleeping, dreaming. Then you wake up like in the first 5 minutes when you still remember your dream, it's kind of like you are riding a unicorn somewhere in a space. You're like, what I just experienced, what the heck it was. So sometimes I get the same feeling in places like this. Are they still there? Yep, they're still there. This is absolutely unreal. Indonesian people love their bikes without exhausting pipes.
I dreamt that we spoke again on the sand next to the ocean. Your summer eyes looking back at mine. I miss those times when there was nobody to hold us back, nobody to complicate it, nobody to keep us down.
Because there's nothing better than jump straight into the pool after a morning run.
Nobody to get frustrated, nobody to stop us now. Nobody. Nobody.
Have you got some frozen bananas? Smoothie bowl, is it available? No? It was not available yesterday. No? Every time when I hear this smoothie bowl is not available because there is no frozen bananas. No? It's like, how come we are in Indonesia? Like, we should ask monkeys probably to bring some bananas. Oh, wow, here we go. So monkey brought you some dragon fruit. Can I have a smoothie bowl then? When you are in tropics and you hear like there is no frozen bananas, to me it sounds like, let's say you are in desert, in Sahara desert, and you ask someone to bring you some sand and they tell you like, sorry mate, there is no sand. Come on, we are in desert. I can hear the sound of smoothie bowl making. I can hear the sound of smoothie bowl over there. Good monkeys brought some bananas. About the price, guys, I forgot to tell you, the price was 2 million per night for this place, and I'm moving today to the villa. They also have some villas over here. That one and another one, I'll show you it later, and the price was a bit more than 2 million, so in total I paid, yeah, let's say on average 2.5 million per night. I think that for this kind of place, this is a great value for money. I'm just hanging out here, and you know what? I think I have a perfect idea. While I was driving yesterday from Kuta to Selong Belanak to here, I saw a couple of paragliding, whatever, not far from here. I think this is just a perfect moment to do that. I feel like it's kind of windy today. Yeah, why not? Instead of just hanging out here, I think I should do that. There they are. What? Guys, wait for it. I'm not gonna spoil the view. Wait. Unbelievable. I've never been here before, even though I stayed in Lombok for a pretty long time. Wow, what a place. Wow, look at this. This is the road I came from. And you have this view from one side and this view from the other side. My name is Roman.
Roman.
Yes.
Oh.
That's the only info they need, apparently. So many people, like 7 persons involved. Wow, we are going up already. Bagus said that he had 0 accidents, so technically I should be fine today. So you're flying for 15 years.
Yeah.
And I guess it never gets boring, like,
Yeah.
you know. Wow, this is amazing. You have a dream job, man.
Thank you. And what do you do in your life?
Wow, what a good question.
Good.
I mean, I'm traveling full time. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. You see those villas, guys? They're called Tampah Hills, and these are super amazing, like luxury, beautiful villas. I think I need to check them one day, but the price is like 30 million per night or something like that, but they look so cool. Do subscribe, then I will grow, then I will become rich, and then I go check Tampah Hills and show you. Fair deal? This is the road, guys, to a place where I'm staying. Wow, this is absolutely breathtaking. Those of you guys who spend some time in Bali, you will be surprised now, because this place, it's called Guru Cafe in Kuta, Lombok, is the exact copy of a great cafe in Bali, in Canggu, a famous one. Hey guys, I finally have my camera on me. Good, how are you? Look, they have almost the exact same menu concept, though different dishes, but the concept is the same. So same price for every category of food, and this open space, you know, super familiar expat kind of vibe, nice food, nice guys. Let's go. Can I please have Simba and Polos Hermanos? Affordable prices, big portions, amazing food. Sometimes it can get a bit busy, so tables are shared. And I have a friend here, but she loves me only when she's hungry. I don't see her though. I need to introduce you to my friend. There she is. Yeah, she's just sleeping. Yeah, this is a pure fun, although it's a pretty dangerous because I've seen already a lot of accidents, like people are riding along board at this place and they are not quite familiar with how to do that. Sometimes it can get dangerous. Bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I always feel awkward when they say, "Excuse me, sir, it doesn't fit the vibe of the place." Hey, we are bros. It looks amazing and it tastes amazing. So every dish, like give or take 60,000 IDR. So for 2 dishes, smoothie bowl and this amazing sandwich, which has a weird name, Polos Hermanos, 120. My friend, she's probably hungry, that's why she just showed up. And hey, are you cheating on me? That hurts. Are you hungry? That's why you came, right? She's so cute. When she makes this sound, I kind of ready to forgive everything. Oh, you cheated on me. I don't know how it's called in English, you know, when cats are very excited and they make this sound. Another day, another room tour. So I've got my private courtyard here with the pool. Actually, the view was better at this Heavenly Heaven residence. What is your choice? But hey, I haven't been inside yet. Let's check inside. It's also nice, but yeah, it's just like that view was absolutely unbeatable. Let's go inside. Okay, this is a pretty interesting engineering solution. That's a pretty steep staircase straight down. That's why it's called Cliff Heaven, I guess. Oh, I even have a small kitchen, which is kind of weird though. I feel like a Harry Potter under the staircase. Okay. Bathtub again. What's so special about all those bathtubs everywhere? I don't know, I don't feel any more luxury in a bathtub. Anyways, so it's much smaller, the living space, but the territory somehow bigger. And I have the same romantic setup over here. There's also something in this view, a jungle situation. I don't care too much about the view from your place exactly. I mean, I can go out and have the view, that's totally fine. But for my home, I would say for my private house, I would rather have this kind of view. The walk-in shower. I would say that this is like a working space, but it's not. Like only, I don't know. And on that note, guys, I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you liked this video, I believe you're gonna like that one. And remember, the world is yours to discover. Bye for now. Take care.